Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a website sitemap and UXIA with Slickplan, complete guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Slickplan website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once registered, log in to your Slickplan account. After logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Click on the Create New button to start a new project. Select Sitemap from the drop-down options. You'll be taken to the Sitemap builder. Begin by entering your website's main URL in the designated field. Click on the Add Page button to start structuring your sitemap. For each page, provide a descriptive name and choose the appropriate type of page. Continue adding pages until your sitemap reflects the structure of your website. Use the drag and drop feature to organize. If you want to create subpages, simply drag a page beneath another page. Next, click on the Settings tab to customize your sitemap further. Here, you can adjust the visibility settings and other preferences. Once satisfied with your sitemap, click the Publish button to save your work. To move on to UX information architecture, return to the dashboard. Select Wireframe from the New Project options. Enter your project title and description related to your UX design. Begin adding wireframe elements that correspond to the pages in your sitemap. Utilize the various tools available to design each page layout effectively. Pay attention to user flow as you create each wireframe. Regularly preview your work to ensure a smooth user experience. After completing the wireframes, save all changes. Next, you can create a visual representation of your UX architecture. Use the diagram tool to illustrate relationships between pages and user interaction paths. Adjust and refine the diagram to highlight the best user experience. Finally, explore the export options to download or share your sitemap and wireframes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.